Hello, my name is Wendy from HMO Success.
Hi, and I'm Arti Soni from Midas Property Group, and today you're joining us on a recorded video with ourselves.
Today we'd like to talk to you about a fantastic event that we're running in partnership, and I'm really pleased to be working with Midas Property Group. For many of you, you will know them because they run auctions, investor panels, fantastic property events across London. And I'm working with Arti and Sam to put on a very, very special event in January. So this event is going to help you to start, scale and systemize your property business. So whether you have no HMOs or you have a portfolio of property, but you're finding you're kind of getting a bit lost in the woods, you're getting a bit confused, perhaps things are getting a bit messy and a bit out of hand. Do you need to organize your systems? Do you need to find a way of simplifying your processes? What apps should you be using? Who should you be getting to help you in your business? We'll be talking about all of these and more.
I've got a couple of questions that have actually come through to me about people that are not yet in HMOs. Now, this workshop that we are doing together, is it for people that are just investing or have already invested in HMOs, or is it for people that haven't yet invested in HMOs?
It's a really good question. I think it's going to help people who are investing and understand the pain of not being organised and the pain of not having a system. But I'd also say that if you haven't yet invested in HMOs, this is a great time to come along and learn, because you won't make the mistakes that I see lots of property people making, which is that they're jumping with 2 feet and they don't have a system to help them scale their business. So they get stuck. And they reach a crossroads at about 5 or 6 HMOs. They find they've replaced their job, but with another job. And that is not the point of this. What we want to try and do is to help you to create a hands-free property business. So you can go to the beach in Bali, you can go and climb a mountain in Wales, you can go for a weekend away in Wrexham, wherever you want to go. The point is you are not running your business because you have systems and people who do that for you. So I think it's ideal if you're starting, because you'll learn some really good habits from the beginning. But it's also going to be helpful for people who already are at that point where they're kind of reaching that, that sort of stall point where they're stuck because they don't have systems to grow.
Now, what about for people who say, well, actually, I've already got a couple of HMOs. I know exactly what I'm doing. I don't need to be at this workshop. Surely there is something for them to learn as well. Is that correct?
So I think that absolutely is true. The problem with property is the bug starts to bite. When you start to make passive income and you start to enjoy getting money in each and every month, month in, month out, without having to swap your time for money, you want more and more. And it's natural to want to grow. But the issue that many property professionals have is that they get a handful of HMOs and they find it's a full-time job. They find that they are dealing with tenants, they're dealing with bills, they're dealing with maintenance, they're dealing with queries, they're dealing with viewings. And even if they've got an agent, they're still pretty busy managing their portfolio. We want to try and remove that. We want to try and help people to get to the point where they know which tools and apps to use. They know which rhythms, which resources, which team members to bring in. They understand the roles of people in their business. So they can grow, they can find the deals and they can find the money, but all the back end stuff, all the admin, all the stuff that they don't enjoy doing, somebody else is dealing with.
So this is actually a 3-hour workshop that you are running, right? And it only costs $9.99. So in that few minutes already, I'm sure people have already learned a little bit more, or it's been a bit of an eye-opener. But for £9.99, this workshop is going to be really informative for a lot of people. So it kind of makes no sense but to join the workshop that we are hosting on the 9th of January. Is that correct?
Absolutely. The 9th of January is our very first date. And of course, we've got an early bird offer. So if you want to join our workshop on the 9th of January, you've got until the 24th of December, Christmas Eve. So give yourself an early Christmas present and get in on the early bird ticket. It's only $9.99 for 3 hours of incredibly valuable content. It's going to be in the evening, so it's going to make it really easy if you're in a job or you run a business and you haven't got time to do anything during the day. Come along in the evening. We're going to start at 6:30 and you will, in 3 hours, learn exactly what you need to do to start, scale and systemise your HMO business. And we'll share with you the tools and the systems that we use to go from 5 to 25 HMOs in 2 years. And I want to show you exactly how you can do that too.
And Wendy, you are presenting the workshop. That's correct, isn't it? So it's nobody else that's going to be presenting the workshop. It's not a webinar, but you yourself will be there live in a room full of people that are really enthusiastic to learn. Guys, this is an amazing workshop. Highly recommend you be there. The details are at the bottom right now, so you can just click on Eventbrite, or you can even go to Midas Property Group /events, find out more about the event, or just simply go to Eventbrite or contact Midas Property and just click and purchase a ticket.
Brilliant. We look forward to seeing you there. We cannot see you making a massive difference to your business in 2020. Without systems, you can't scale. So this is vital, whether you're at the beginning or in the middle of your journey. Remember, click on the link and book today.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time, Wendy. We look forward to working with you in the new year. Thank you.
Thanks, Archie. See you soon.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.